Alright. See how well this is gonna go. So, in this stream, what is it that we're gonna be working on? So the main thing that we're gonna be doing is actually populating the shader.h stuff. Yeah, so well, I guess I should have a one of those as well. Oh wait, no, this is not a vertex shader, this is a fragment shader. Okay, so let's see exactly how this is all going to go down. So we have the, all of these are public, so I can just set the source anyway, it doesn't matter. Go in here, because I also need to start worrying about GeoFW, but I think that that's going to be once I hit into the whole game scene engine thing, all that stuff. I don't really think that that's necessary right now to worry about windowing, because the game class is going to be in charge of the windowing and input and all that. Alright, so I don't need to worry about all that quite yet. So yeah, check for compilation status. So I do need these in here. Right. Yeah. So we can save that. So what else do we need? We need to have shader compile. Yeah. Oh, except this is a void shader compile. Let's do I mean, I could do things a little bit directly, but I feel like public shader? Can I do that? No, I'm going to do that when I'm actually defining it, not during declaration and definition, because there is going to be slightly different things here, right? Because of this enum. Well, I guess it's a hash define, but that's fine. It's effectively just an enum, something along those lines. Okay. Now granted, there's a lot of things here that I'm not super happy with, a lot of repeated code and things like that, but I think it should be fine, right? So compile. These are going to be all of this stuff here, right? So Compile shader, virchad. Well, I mean, I guess I could just do copy and paste. Compile shader ID, and this is going to be ID. 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 And that is that. Let's take a quick little gainer, shall we? C++ throw. Throw. Want to know what the throw keyword? Aha! Exceptions. The throw keyword. Okay. Try crash, throw exception. Throw custom. C++ throw custom error. Creating custom exceptions in C++. Let's take a look, shall we? Logstream, no. Is specified as follows: pointer to a null terminated string with explanatory information. That's it, nothing more, nothing else. The texture showing certainly qualifies as explanation. The return for what? Not even to the exact contents of what you get. What C is what you get, the saying goes. It's up to you to implement that as part of what. So I need to create const char pointer what const override. Oh dear God. What's up, love? Oh, my love. Okay, so there's a lot of things here that I don't have time to go for. Okay. Let's see, C++. Throw generic error. Is that a thing you can do? Come on. Yes, let me be an exception class. Okay. Okay. Throw SAT runtime error. Okay. Okay, so that's all that stuff. Time error. Message. Context. Yeah, that should work. That's compile in here. Yeah, that's fine, that's fine. What else do I need to do? I need to implement vertex and fragment shader. So shader class is done. Compile. I mean, it would make sense that it should compile when you create it, right? But that's not necessarily always the case. Because you might not necessarily do that, and I would want to have like a const reference. Yeah. Still no one watching, but it's okay. So let's do Well, this is a const char pointer. That's a const char pointer. Okay. So vertex shader, vertex shader from public shader. So you do that, I guess. And then here, what we do is we have this stuff. Oh. I think removing these is kind of important. Because this is, what is it? Const char pointer src, name it, so that because the actual source is a source thing, src, okay, cool. So I can say that, and then I can say that, and then I also want to do that. Right. So id is equal to that, and id, and this should be src. Yeah. Correct. Well, it should be, right? Yeah, fragment shader, fragment shader, const char pointer src, shader. I love you. And ID geo. Oh, actually, I should just do the smart thing and do that. SRC. And this is what? The ID. Where's chat? Is ID. Wait. Hold up. Because hold on, what am I doing wrong? GL shader source is equal to that, which means that I should actually do GL shader source GL shader source ID. Yes. Those things can be done. And this is source. And that. So this way you can technically do all that stuff, which means I actually want to delete that there, want to delete that there. What I actually want to do is say source equals src. And here, source equals src. That way these two things are all good, Gucci Poochie. So we have the source equals src, jail create cheater, yeah, all that stuff is good. And then technically speaking, I could do an immediate compile just to make sure that it actually works, but I think I'm going to pass on that for now. Right? Cool. So, shader program. Let's do that. Shader class. Vertex class. And then this is fragment shader class. I don't care, Malwarebytes, go away. Shader program class. Let's see here. So all that stuff is good, all that stuff is good. And so I think once I'm done, I should be able to change this to the program.use. And then here, yeah, so I'll do that once I'm done with all this, so that should be fine. So back to shader, all that stuff is good. Fragment shader pointer, fragment shader. Do I want a reference? Do I want references? No, because I want pointers. Why do I want pointers? Wouldn't it be better to just house them? No. Come on. Stop being dumb. Okay. Doop doop doop. Since I have pointers, I really do need to have a shader proc. Okay, so the vertex shader, it'd be shader prog shader prog here. In the constructor, it is a vertex shader pointer vert shad, and then a fragment shader pointer frag shad. Okay, so I have those. Let's do this. Let's do that. And then what else do I need? Okay, so in order to do that, well, let's do shader prog. The destructor should do deletes. For Chad. Oh, it's just vert and frag. Delete. Frag. And it should be it. And there's like other things like you need to like unbind thing and all that stuff too, but I'm not too terribly worried about that quite yet. Because it would be better to have all those things, right? Because the renderer is also going to be doing its own things, which may or may not actually. Well, I mean, I guess it could be a. I'm not sure if I'm going to be making all rendering stuff entity based or not. Like, should the level itself be an entity that has components? I mean, it'd be kind of interesting. And you can also have hard points and stuff on it. But anyway, I think I'm going a little bit ahead of myself. So yeah, I'll maybe link, attach all link. Attach shader link program. I guess all of this will be in one, and then GL create program. Yeah. So vert equals vert shad, frag equals frag shad, and then GL create program. Wait. ID equals GL create program. That should be fine. No way. Okay, cool. That's fine. And then what we need to do is we need to have shader prog attach all. I mean, it might be better to just Now this is a void. So GL attach shader, and this is ID vert. Oh, I think this is .id. Yeah. And then GL attach shader ID frag.id. Except these are pointers, so these need to be like that. Which is a little bit strange, I would say. I don't know if I like that. I might want to refactor this, because the syntax is a little... I don't really like it. But I will deal with it for now. And then it would be GL program, and this is ID. And then void shader prog use, and GL use program ID. Yep. So let's go up here. Let's delete this, and then let's say we have no. I'm not actually. Yeah, I need to go into here, and then FFE.h. I need to add them. ECS hash include, and then this is shader.h. Yeah, because then in here, protect shader vert is equal to vertex shader, and then vert, well, I guess the vert source. Except it's just that. Yeah, that should be fine. And then it'll be fragment shader frag is equal to fragment shader frag source, and then this is shader prog sprog. Prog is equal to shader prog, and then this is vert frag. And well, and this is the address at these two. Okay, so instead of here, what do we actually need to do? We say, so instead of that, we can get rid of that. Create shader source equal back. So instead of all of this, I can get rid of that. And then I can say vert.compile. I can get rid of all of this and say frag.compile. And then instead of this, I can say sprog dot attach all. Should be fine. And then in here, instead of this, it is shad os prog dot use draw arrays buffers. Okay. Build solution. I should get no compile errors. Everything should build just fine. Mother tracker. Should compile. Wait, what? Huh? Oh, but FFE is in here. Shared CPP is in here. FFE tech. Oh, you're doing this crap again? PDB, event initial, a bunch of other crap that's going on. Why can't it find it? Yeah, it should be fine, right? Okay, well, I mean, that's not a runtime error. This is a compile error. Oh, okay. I just needed to recompile it. That's fine, I guess. I don't understand why it was doing that. Alright, let's see if there's any issues. Nope. Cool. Memory location. So, what happened here? GL frag color. Undeclared. Can it convert from okay. So that was a compilation error. What's going on here? Why did it not work? GL frag color. Undeclared identifier. Cannot convert from GL frag color. Is undefined. It was literally working. Huh. Okay, open GL. GL frag undefined identifier. This one. Blip, 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 blip. both vertex shader and fragment shader. Okay. So let's see what's going on. It's just saying, can it compile? Okay, so this is just saying, can I compile shader? So let's yeah, it's just saying can I compile shader. So I don't know. Sure, there's better ways of doing things. For instance, what I can do is I can say std couts compiling vertex shader. And down vert std count compiling fragment shader std and down. Okay. Build my solution. Open Windows Debugger. Okay, so the vertex shader just fine. So it is the fragment shader. It's not working. Should have brought clear program. Frag equals frag shad. Okay. Frag shad. Touch all. Touch ID. Okay, use. Okay, cool. Frag shader, vertex shader. Yeah, there we go. This needs to be fragment shader. So I'm trying to compile it as I created a vertex shader rather than a fragment shader. I'm creating a fragment shader. So, helps if I build the right kind of shader, doesn't it? Okay. Let's do that and see if it works. Should be fine. Yep, it works just fine. Cool. And I can even resize it if I wanted to. That's good. Perfect. That's perfect. Wait, what's... What? Hold on. Delete scalar. Here. Wait. Huh. Still doing it. Where? Here's the call stack. Line 42. Unassign. Deletes. Operator deletes. Hmm. It might be that I don't need this. Hopefully this works. If it is so, I should be able to do that. Oh no, it's still doing it. Alright, what's happening? Shader prog. 942. Well, actually not. Build. Let's rebuild it. Let's build again. Just to make sure. Unresolved externals. What the fuck? Oh, okay. And here. I need to do that. Build. Of course there's going to be unresolved externals. I deleted the definition. Okay. Both of them are up to date. It did a thing. Nothing happened. Everything deleted perfectly. Okay, cool. I guess because these are pointers, it doesn't matter. I don't get it. Wait, what? Oh! Because the vertex shader and the fragment shader are both being allocated on the stack. Even though it's a pointer to a stack allocated object. So I'm only going to delete if I have it on heap. How often would these things be on the heap though? That's good to know. I am starting to understand. Okay, so use is fine. Use is done. Which means that everything works. Which means the shader program class is done. Which means I think everything that I need to do here is also done. So commit all and push. Okay, geez. And I guess I can go into manage branches. Switch over to the alpha branch. Back here. And then oh. Okay. Okay. Merge beta into alpha 1. Merge beta into alpha 1. That brings beta up and running. Then I can switch back over to beta. That's fine. Cool. Wait. View all commits, outgoing, incoming commits. And push. Successfully pushed. And then I switch back to beta. I can go back to my other crap. Perfect. Cool. So now that's good. Okay. So I have all that stuff. So I can kind of remove these two. Actually, I think that's still STD. Oh. Those two things are still very useful. What's the next thing that I need to do? I need to wrap her up. And I guess I could move these on over to the other side. So, normalize west coordinates. Save that. Yeah, I am on beta. Perfect. Don't need that. Got FFE.h. Gotta include shaders. Utils. Utils is here. I can move that over there. Got FFE here. So I can save that. Includes.h. Don't need it. Shader.h. That's fine, I do believe. I don't think I need shader.h anymore. I don't think I need shader.cpp anymore. Okay. Which means that what I actually want to do is have another include. Oh, no, I have. Oof. The renderer.h. Do I need renderer.h? Do I need renderer.h? And also, technically speaking, it would be a lot better to wrap everything up into a namespace. But that's not too terribly bad to do. Which means that it might be better because all of the windowing stuff here, right? Because all the windowing stuff. Windowing stuff. Because I need to have all of. Because here is OpenGL stuff. And this is all relative to. Wait, do I have a vertex array object? Is that in render? Yeah, I do. So the individual renderers are in there. Because the main thing that I want to get rid of is literally all this stuff, right? I want to have all of this stuff be completely and utterly wrapped up, right? All of this stuff. Right? So okay. Let's do another thing here. What was there? Other? Yeah. Yeah, I have a lot of other stuff in the to-do stuff. I really want windowing.h and windowing.cpp. Or, well, I mean, I guess I could. Yeah, because I can handle all the windowing stuff because the game is going to be handling both windowing and audio. And the scenes are going to be handling a bunch of other crap. Yeah, that's important. So the renderer, how does the renderer work? Well, in essence, the renderer, yeah, because in essence, the renderer, what does the renderer do? The renderer because the renderer you also need to do hash include shaders shader.h. I might include shader.h. But the renderer, wait, what is the renderer doing? So the renderer is handling, not that. The renderer is handling all this stuff. Alright. And this stuff. Because the GL clear color buffer bit has what else? Not just the color buffer bit, but also the depth buffer bit. That also need to be cleared. But that is all dependent on the window. So I think for now, it would be better to handle all of this stuff, right? Because all the windowing stuff will be here, and then this would all be a thing. Right? So, how do I do that? But first, add new item, header file. And this is windowing.h add. Includes.h. And then I guess maybe include shader.h potentially. Might not need that. And in fact, I probably shouldn't need that. As in, if I need it, I'm doing things wrong. Because that is the only thing strange. Because this is inside of that. I mean, I guess I could pass in a pointer, a void pointer. For now, I guess I could do that. Because then I can change what that pointer actually is. Right. Because what I can do is this can be a void pointer of the draw cruff. Drawing everything. Right. Right. I guess. I think. I feel like I'm thinking way too far into it. So windowing.h. Let's do add new item CPP. This is windowing.cpp. Hash include windowing.h. And this will have all of the includes I need. So windowing.h. It'll be a class window, right? Because this is a GLFW window, pointer, just window, and all that. So I can have a window. We'll also need to at some point handle input, but I think that will be a little bit later on down the road. Alright, I'm guessing. Oh, what is this group doing? Thor, I don't care. Okay. Windowing. Class window. Public. Need a GLFW window pointer MP. Right. And then when you create one, you throw a runtime error. Now, yeah, this is if you want full screen. It's hard. This includes the size of the window, especially full screen window, for the actual attributes for your window from plain context to create a full screen window. You specify in mind. Okay. Good to know. So when I create it, I mean, okay, well, it's the 1P. Box. So I can't do. Maybe like set the title. I should be able to set the title. Yeah, this is a lot of stuff to keep in mind. Okay. GLFW change open GL context version. This thing. Open GL file. Let's put GL4 version. Maybe the microwave. Oh, not quite where I asked. So, how can I change it after runtime? Okay, so here's a lot of things going on here. I think for now, here will be heights. I think it'll be a const char pointal and title. Do I care about that yet? I'm not. I'm just gonna do that. It's easier, I feel like, because I don't care about any of the other crap, I feel like. And I'll just... It's not core. OpenGL profile. GLW OpenGL profile. Okay. So oh, my brain. I can do this. I can do this. This isn't that hard. To live and die in LA. That's what I'm jamming out to. I got this crap. So all I really need to do is GLFW terminate as the destructor, I do believe. Because I don't think there's much other cleanup past that. Alright, yeah. Because I should be able to wrap all of this stuff in the constructor, the windowing constructor. Window, int width, int height, const char pointer title. This is a good song. Gotta avoid bad audio. Okay. So, doot hex. Well, see, I don't need a return. I mean, I could. What is it, like exit or something? How do I handle it in here? Shader.h. Let's take a look. No, that's not the right one, because that's the declaration, not the actual doobly jam. Throw STD runtime error. Okay, windowing.cpp. And say failed to initialize GLFW. That's good. What's next? All that stuff. Knowing that CPP. God damn it. Oh, shit. Because int length height, int width height. I should probably have an int width and an int height. This what equals width, this height equals height. Do that. It might be nice to be able to. I mean, there's a lot of different things I could be doing using different. Yeah, it'll be fine. Because I think I want to change a lot of these things to be. I'm sorry, he's going to level. We can say this be width. This will be height, and this will be title. Yeah. I'll do that. What else needs to happen? Save. And then it'll be copy. Paste. And this is actually 1p equals. If not, 1p throw std runtime error, and then this is failed to create window. It's fine for that. And then make context current. One p. And then GLEW init. And that should be fine. So all of this shit should be gone, which means what you could do is in FFE here I can do include windowing.h, and then in here I could say window window equals window, and here it is 800 450 hello Twitch. In which case I'll be down here, maybe window dot 1p dot 1p dot 1p. So this should all work now after I build like 2 or 3 times. Because it likes to do that kind of thing. Up to date. Cool. Perfect. Hello, Twitch. Everything works. Cool. Perfect. Yes. Okay. Cool. All that stuff works. Window.h, window. The next step. Well, we did a thing. Windowing dot h. Window creation. Oh, copy, commit and push. Yeah. Let's do what we really want here is that we want to have the draw loop, or I guess the display loop. Yep. I guess display. Yeah, I guess display could do something along these lines. Because this is a thing that the renderers are gonna have to do. But for the time being, I could do something a little bit different. Yeah. So here it'll be void display, and this is going to be a void pointer. Wait, how do I do this? Void. Oh crap, how do I do this again? How do I do this? It's in like void tester. Yeah, something like that. Yeah. So be void draw function definition for display not pound right. C++ function pointers. Let's take a look. Function pointer. Let's do this. Do dem type. Yeah. Return type. Oh, it's a void. Okay. Yeah, it's void. Draw. That's how it's done. And then in here, let's go down to this, and then this will be window display. And this is void draw. Oh, yeah, and then this is also a void. Would just put draw. Okay. So, how does this work, right? This is all separate. And all this is separate, so that's fine. And in essence, it is just this. Come on. This. So. This is just that. That's. And it is technically, instead of that, I'll do draw. Okay. Because then wow, GLW terminate. Yeah. All this should work. Which means that I can delete all that, and then it should be able to say window.display, and then it is Sprague dot use. And leave that. Sprague.use. Oh wait, no, I'm a dumbass. A bound function may only be used to call the function. What? Pointer to a bound function may only be used to call the function. Oh, I mean, I guess technically I could just do this and just do I'll just do this everywhere. What do you mean? Sprague dot use. And then I think here it's that. Okay, so equals Sprague.use. Yeah, it's not done that. Is equal to, I think, this, and then auto use. How about that? Use. Why not? Lambda void to void exists. Oh boy. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Okay, we're missing around the function called the. It should be. In both calls, it should be to refer to any member of any attribute and to invoke the function. What? I need to find this stuff. I don't get it. C++ get function to member function. Pointers to member functions. Fred. Type of this function is different depending on whether it is an ordinary function or a non-static member function in some class. Char float. If a non-static member function class Fred. This type is int. No, then if it's a stem. Ordinary function. Fred. Pointer to member function to see on. Suppose you want to call external C. Static member functions do not require an actual object to mean, so pointers to static member functions are usually compatible with irregular pointers to functions. Window display, windowing. What is void draw? Void. Okay. So there might be auto views equals should prod. Let's do void test. With parameter void is incompatible. And then I should be able to say is equal to sprog dot use. No, can't. A pointer to a bound function may only be used to call the function. How do I get that though? Okay. Passing class member function to another function. Okay. Nothing wrong with using function pointers, however, pointers to non-static member functions are not like normal function pointers. Member functions need to be called on an object, which is passed as an implicit argument to the function. The signature of the member function above is thus the type that you try to use. One approach could consist in making a member function static, in which case it doesn't require any object. If you need to access any non-static members of your class, and you need to stick with function pointers, e.g. because the function is part of the C interface, your best option is always pass a void pointer to your function. Taking function pointers to call your member through a forwarding function which contains an object from the void, like create a suitable callable function object for these using this to be fine. Here is an example. The function using the function pointers. Void blip 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 blip. Okay. Non-member. Don't need any context. Struct boop. Void member. Okay. Non-member, no pointer foo object, some function, forwarder objects. Void forwarder. So what? So non-member is that. Some function that has a function pointer. I need to pass in the context. The easiest way is to go into shader.h and instead of having a void use, I can make that Yeah, this is a little bit rough. I could just do that. Yeah. Then in display, instead of a void function, I'll just do equivalence ID. And then in here for now, there are far better ways of handling this. GL use program ID this way. In here, I could say it's prog.id. Not the greatest solution, but it is one that will work. Yeah, because there are the forwarder. What is the forwarder doing? Instead of cast foo pointer, remember. Yeah. Yeah, and the forwarder has a thing. So, non-member takes in a void pointer, but doesn't actually care about that. You okay?
No.
What? Oh. Oh, that website is dumb. Click there. Oh, yeah, no. No, it's not a PNG, it's just a JPEG. I love you. Okay, the amount of effort that I'm gonna need to do in order to do this tonight is more than my brain cells are going to allow me to do for that particular solution. So yeah, I know it failed. I don't understand why I keep doing things in freaking order. This should still work. Yes. Still works. Okay. This is really dirty. I don't like it. So I think what I'm actually going to have to do is this is a lot more condensed. It's a lot closer to what it is that I want it to do. So the window display. It needs to be, this stuff needs to be handled by the renderer. Okay. So I have the these things up and running, but what I don't have is so the window. The other option is that there would be. Let's see here, what's going on here? Because in here, we have a bunch of VAOs. So here we would have potentially multiple VAOs. Yeah. Okay, that was weird. So what all would I need to have happen? So the VAOs. This needs to be handled by a renderer. Should be able to all renderers and hello? Okay. There should be to handle all draw calls from render first. Right. Which means that the renders thing which means what? Let's take a look at the ECS.cpp. Because the systems have a bunch of anonymous functions here. I think the microphone keeps on turning off on me. Okay, that was weird.
Are you okay?
I'm just trying to figure out what's going on.
Huh.
Well, I keep hearing a doop doop and then the microphone turns off.
No. Battery might be low on the headset.
Oh. Or I might be an idiot and keep muting it on accident. Eh? Oh, okay. Insert entities, okay. So in here moves through and calls the system function. Alright. It goes through each system individually and then runs the thing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna end it a little early tonight. I need to do a lot more figuring out in order to figure this out. So I'm gonna end it here. See you guys in a couple days.